How to activate iMessage on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID and make sure that you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID. Next, make sure you are connected to a proper working Wi-Fi or mobile data. If not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as iMessage requires internet to activate. Now, in settings again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option and further scroll down again and tap on messages. Here, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for iMessage and you might see waiting for activation or activation may take up to 24 hours message. This is totally normal. Once done, you can also tap on the send and receive option you see there and then go ahead and select your phone number or your Apple ID or email. So this is how you can activate iMessage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.